Morning dear students. Today I will send you writing work of lesson number 1. In that hard words and question answers I will send. Okay. Write in your computer CW in good handwriting as you are using pen now. Okay. In our previous lecture we learnt about features of Windows 10. Yes. There are many features like attractive and easy to use. Then improve start button. Okay, we learned that search tool is known as Cortana. Okay, after that we learned how to snap the windows, means small windows, how we can get on the screen. Okay, so these are the features we learned in our previous lecture. Now we are going to start how to start the window, that is starting Windows. Yes children, when you will start your computer, okay, so it will get slowed, your operating system will get slowed in the computer memory, okay, and after all the processing you get the operating system name, that will be Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, which will be installed in your computer. Okay, and at the last you get the final screen that we can call desktop. What is that? Desktop. Okay, the final screen appears when computer starts, that is desktop, and at the bottom there is a taskbar. Taskbar is having start button at the left corner. This is your start button. Okay, and here on the taskbar there is a setting option, search option. After that at the left side connectivity options, like if you connected USB cord, pen drive, okay, or you start your Bluetooth. After that calendar and your time, means clock is there. Okay, at the left corner there are the graphical symbols. These graphical symbols you can call icons. What you can call? Icons. So after starting Windows you get this all the options like a desktop, taskbar, start button and icons. Now we will see about start button. Yes beta. Start button is present at the left corner and its menu looks like this, 4 flags of Windows. Okay, so this is our start button. Probably most of the recently used programs we get when we click on start button, and at the left pan there are the live tiles, means at the left pan we get the live tiles, means your apps. Okay, and students, it provides access to the installed program on the screen. Whatever program we install we can access in the computer, okay, through the start button. Understood? Now as we know, on the desktop there is an icon of the PC. See, like a computer, small icon is there, and below that there is this PC. So this icon we are calling PC. Okay, and if you will click on this icon you get the PC folder. Okay, means when you will click on this icon you get small window. Okay, that window I will draw here. See beta, this is the window. Okay, and in this window there is a ribbon which is having tabs and groups. Okay, which shows the working of this window. After that there are the forward button, forward arrow, backward arrow, up arrow, then here is a address bar, and here is your search option. Okay, and after this here is a left pan. This left pan you can call navigation pan. What you can call? Navigation pan. And right pan is whatever you access on the left pan, all the options you can see on your right pan. Okay, so this is ribbon. Ribbon is having tabs and groups, we learned in previous class. This back arrow shows if you use many of the documents. So if you want to go on back, so you can click on back option. Okay, and if you want to go on current document, so you can click on this option, next option. After that, this up arrow if you are down on the folder, and if you want to go on the above folder, so you can click on up. This navigation pan, left pan, is having all the list like a start button. It provides the recent list of folders and files. Okay, and whatever folder and file you are using, and all the documents you can see on the right pan. So this is about the PC folder. There are many buttons and options are there, like a ribbon, up button, address bar. On address bar you can type the link, or else you can search your document. Okay, and click on the search option. So this is about PC folder. Okay children, now next is file explorer. Okay, how to open, how to manage, how to view context, that we will see in next period. But file explorer is the application that display the detailed information of our files and folders. Okay, we can access, edit, manage, then organize our files and folders in the file explorer. Okay, and we can view our documents, we can delete it, create it, copy, move, rename, all the things we can do in the file explorer, and we can manage our files and folders. Okay, so this is about starting Windows, start button, this PC folder and file explorer. Okay, so how to manage, how to open the file, how to close the file, how to see the context, these are all the things we will see in our next lecture. Okay, thank you students.